Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video on very fast multiplication. This is magic multiplication tricks. I hope you have seen the previous video in which I told you how to multiply any number or rather decimal number also by 11. Now I am going to extend this to multiplication by 12. Now, if you want a compilation of all these short tricks at one place for enhancing your preparation, then you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. Send me a message and I'll tell you how to get a copy of all those tricks at one place. Right, multiplication by 12. So what if we don't know 12 times table? It's going to be a little tricky, right? Let's see how we can simplify it by using this concept. So what do we do when we have to multiply a particular number by 12? A 2-digit number, 3-digit, 4-digit, 10-digit or a decimal number? Everything can be multiplied by 12 without knowing the 12 times table, and this is the beauty of this particular trick. So friends, let's understand the concept. First of all, if we have a 2-digit number, suppose I'll take an easy one to illustrate. Suppose we have 47 and I want to multiply that by 12. Knowing the 2 times table is what we require to perform this multiplication. So I am not going to write 47 and 12 one below the other and then do multiplication by 2, multiplication by 1, add vertically, a lot of steps involved. So I am not going to do that. What am I going to do is, first of all, I will multiply the unit digit by 2, not by 12 but by 2. So I will write 7 times 2 here. Then I will multiply the tens digit by 2 again, that is 4 times 2. See, I am writing just to illustrate how to do it. 4 times 2, but the important thing is you have to add the next digit 7 to the result, and finally the number 4 will be written as it is. Now these are the 3 numbers which I require, and I'll show you how to work this out for 3-digit numbers also. So what will we get here? This will become 14 and this will become 8 plus 7 15 and this will become 4, giving you, see, 14 means 4 and a 1 carry, 15 plus 1 16, so 6 and a 1 carry, and 4 becomes 5. 564 is the product of these two numbers, and you can check using the calculator. This is not going to be difficult and wrong. Okay, so how do we do that using a 3-digit number now? So once we are using 3-digit numbers, we need to understand that the number of steps will increase. So suppose you have 492 and I want to multiply that by 12. So I need to multiply only by 2, not by 12. Okay, so let's start with the 2. How do we do? 2 times 2 is 4, separate it out by a slash. 9 times 2 is 18, but add the next number 2. 18 plus 2, 20. 4 times 2 is 8, add the next number 9, 8 plus 9, 17, and finally write the first digit as it is, and then start writing 4. 20 means 0, 2 carry, 19, 9, 1 carry, 5, 5904 is the product. Now you can check, so many different questions can be solved using this method. I'll demonstrate now using some questions, and I'll use decimals also in some of the questions. So here we have 78. So 8 times 2 is 16. 7 times 2 is 14 plus the next digit 8, and 7 is to be written as it is. So 7, and then this is 22, and then this is 16. Retain the 6, carry forward the 1, 23. 3, retain the 3, carry forward the 2, so this becomes 9. 936 is the product. Likewise 783, 3 times 2 is 6, 8 times 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, 7 times 2 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, and then we have the first digit 7 as it is. So 6, 19 means 9, 1 carry, 23 means 3, 2 carry, and then we have the 9. 9396 is the product. Carry on. Let's have a 4-digit number. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus the next digit 5, 17. So we have the 17. And then 8 times 2 is 16. Plus the next digit 6, 22. Then 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus next digit 8 is 22 again. And then finally the 7 we have to write as it is. So 10 means 0, 1 carry, 18, 8, 1 carry, 23, 3, 2 carry, 24, 4, 2 carry, and then the 9, 94380 is the product. How about a 5-digit number, and then we'll move on to decimals also. Now just keep on doubling. 8 times 2 is 16, 4 times 2 is 8, add the next number 16 again. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 4, 20. Next 6 times 2 is 12 plus 8 is 20 again. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 6, 16, and finally the 5 to be written as it is. Now start writing from the unit digit 6. We have 1 carried, 17, so 7, 1 carried, 21, 1, 2 carried, 22, 2, 2 carried, 18, 8, 1 carried, and then this becomes 6, giving you 682176 as the product. Now let's look at some decimal numbers. Here you can see we have 893.84 to be multiplied by 12, and another question here 204.053 to be multiplied by 12. We can follow the same method. You just have to forget the decimal ones and consider this number as 89384 multiplied by 12. So start from this number. 4 2s are 8. So we have 8 on the right side. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, we have the number 20. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 8, we have 14. Then 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 9, we have 25. And finally 8 is to be written as it is. Now start from the unit digit 8. 20 means 0, 2 carried. 16 means 6, 1 carried. 22 means 2, 2 carried. 27 means 7, 2 carried. And then 8 plus 2, 10. So we have this big number. Now we have 2 decimal places here, and therefore put a decimal 2 digits from the right hand side. You get your answer. 10726.08 is the required product. Likewise, the last question here, 204,053 multiplied by 12. We'll take care of the decimal later. So start with the 3. 3 2s are, we have the 6. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, we have 13. 0 2s are 0, 0 plus 5, 5. And then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 0, 8. Then 0 2s are 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 0, 4 again, and then we have the 2 without any change. Now very less number of 2-digit numbers, so that makes our task easier. So this is 6, 13 means 3, 1 carried, we have the 6 here, and then rest of the digits are all single digit numbers which do not change. And now how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So put a decimal 3 digits from the right hand side, we have the answer 2448.636, and that completes our video on multiplication by 12. Do you know you can actually extrapolate this method to multiplication by 13, 14, 15 up to 19? We will check that in our subsequent videos. Till then, you take a while to subscribe our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Do share this video and hit the bell icon for getting all the notifications. Click the like button and you will get the option of hyping the video, which will help us in promoting this video to greater audience. So friends, practice this multiplication by 12 and look for the next part of this series of videos on multiplication. All the best.